Hello, today we're building a gorgeous farm together. Stay with me till the end, because this is going to be so satisfying to watch. Look at that. We've got two beautiful barns in place, and now the fences are setting the perfect boundaries. This farm is really coming to life. And now a tiny pond to make it even prettier, so calm. From above, it looks absolutely perfect. Little rocks around the pond look so nice. Some soft hay on the ground, perfect spot for a horse. Now here's a buddy who always loves staying close to their friend. A goose and a hippopotamus side by side, living together in harmony for years. What a beautiful friendship. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around for the next amazing video.